In 2024, I think the best business model to start is AI automation. Not just any AI automation, AI e-commerce automation stores. So with that being said, if you didn't know, my name is Michael Correa. I'm doing e-commerce for the last 6 or 7 years. I'm a 6-figure earner. AI automation stores, e-commerce in general is only going to keep going up, and things are going to become more fast when it comes to shopping online, having customers buy from online stores more than brick and mortars. AI automation stores, this is a game changer. I advise everybody to get on this new wave. This is the new trending thing that's happening now. I switched over for you guys because at the end of the day, everybody was complaining about just a lot of like little tasks and little tedious work, and it got to the point where I started thinking, it's like, okay, what can I do for people that's something that's gonna be a real good business model that can help people generate passive income on autopilot, or they could take things into their own hands eventually and automate their own stores and go about it from there, hire their own team and do what they need to do in order to scale. So my thing is me and my mentor, we came together, we partnered together. We partnered together on this one, and we decided to come out with AI automation stores that are handling profits every week, every month, and every day on a day-to-day basis, price gauging, seeing the latest trends, seeing the latest products that's going on in e-commerce space. So with that being said, there's no other business model that has been thriving last years since the online space has started when it comes to making money online. So from shutting down my agency, shutting down my eBay dropshipping program, shutting down my e-commerce high ticket program, I decided to start this AI automation store for my clients and also people who are just wanting to get on board in general for, you know, just learning how to make online income, or sitting here taking that knowledge and applying it to themselves and, you know, operating their own automation stores eventually once they get the hang of everything. So at the end of the day, I tell everybody, you know, like, this is the best business model because at the end of the day, it's autopilot. We handle all inventory, we handle all the VAs, we handle all the distribution, the shipping, everything that you can name when it comes down to e-commerce in general. So AI automation has been game changer for all of my clients, and we're only going to be getting more pricier and we move on into the months to come. AI automation in general is only going to be more thriving. I can't stress this enough because at the end of the day, it's like you see all these stores, these brick and mortar stores closing, and e-commerce in general, what does that tell you about a lot of things, you know? So with this AI automation store that we have thriving for the last few years, we started doing this because we found it to be an easy business model, something that's reliable and something that's really affordable for our customers. Because at the end of the day, everything has to be affordable, you know, it has to make sense. It's like we give you guys an overview over things every month, every week, what's going on. My thing is, get an AI automation store. This is the best thing going 2024 going to 2025. Within the first few weeks, they get a sale, they start seeing results, and then the first month, they come up with profit. So when it comes down to the profit split, we do a 70-30. So 70% net, 30% profit. Depending on what package you go with, as we go into the next month, we're coming out with more different packages because, you know, sometimes things are not really affordable for everybody, so we make it affordable, you know. But the split changes because, you know, you guys are not putting up a lot of money, so at the end of the day, that falls on us when it comes down to operating the whole system. You know, we still need capital to make your business grow and be automated as well, operated as well, and capitalized as well. So with that being said, sign up, click the link in the bio. I advise everybody to sit here and get an AI automation store. These are the next thriving businesses to go crazy, and I just feel like once everybody's on this, then this is when it becomes oversaturated. So it's just like anything else. It's just like the new crypto coin. It's just like Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin is just too pricey right now, I wouldn't even put no bread there. I'll just find an altcoin, but that's another story. At the end of the day, you guys want to find something that's a new wave, but it's not really oversaturated. And best business model right now is AI automation stores, AI e-commerce automation stores. We're doing like numbers right now. You can click the link in the bio. You can see the profits on the page. You can see the testimonials on the page. You can see all that. We're not lying, we're not capping. Me and my mentor, we've been doing e-commerce for the last 5 to 6 years, and we already know the business model. We already know to delegate e-commerce stores to people like VAs, systems, have system integrators to make the whole operation automated. So we already know the back end on how that works. Now we want to help people who are interested on making, just like chilling back and making money. And then if you are really interested on learning the business model and all of that, then that's something else that we could talk about. But we could end up making a little like coaching one-on-one, take over your own stores eventually. But when it comes down to it, this is the best business model because it's hands-free. All you need to do is put up upfront costs and overview your store every month, because obviously you want to see how is your money being delegated, how the operation is being managed, and how everything is being operated. There's only a few spots going into the next month, and every month there's only going to be a few spots because we can only manage a good handful of clients at a time. We want to make sure these stores are thriving, helping our customers go to the next level, and then helping you guys also take your investments and go into other business models if you guys are interested. So I just want you guys to know why AI, and I preach AI. And no, I'm not talking about no ChatGPT garbage bullshit. I preach AI automation because I was watching a podcast, a couple interviews, a couple YouTube videos. I'm always watching, but they were talking about how AI, and since ChatGPT had came out, it's been moving at a fast pace to where this is going to create a whole different type of species. So what that means is robots being automated, talking to you, doing the tasks, whatever you think it is, even cleaning stalls, cleaning bathrooms. Everything is going to be automated. So when it comes down to AI in general, you want to have that type of AI system in your business, and you want to sit here and thrive for the next few years. Every year there's going to be a new trend, a new phase. You have to start gearing up to phase into that next phase. And if you don't, you're going to get left behind. And at the end of the day, this is only going to be becoming worse if you don't keep up with yourself on what you need to do, or how you need to move, and what you need to start delegating in order to start going, getting further ahead. Me watching that podcast and that interview is like, this is the reason why I created AI automation, because this is the game changer. You have to have AI in your business. If you don't have AI in your business, you are going to fail. You are going to fall behind. I changed what I was doing and I moved over into AI automation. I said, fuck it, geared up, and I changed what I was doing, because at the end of the day, it's like I'm trying to help a lot of people do e-commerce, and it's becoming a little tedious. At the end of the day, I'd rather just have everything be operated through AI automation and have systems in place to where we have things operate for you guys. That's the whole point of this. We don't want you guys doing nothing. And on top of it, we are also giving coaching on how to have AI be implemented in your business. So if you guys want that too, book a call down below, link in the bio, just let me know. But yeah, basically that's how I just see everything going into 2025. You have to be on the next wave. You can't be sitting here doing the same things that you was doing before, thinking that things are gonna change, thinking things are gonna be different. Things are not gonna be different. At the end of the day, you have to take what you know and be like, okay, cool. Let me sit here and just like do what I need to do. But if you don't do what you need to do, and you just sit back and just be like, okay, it's AI. But watching that YouTube video was a whole game changer. We're going into a different approach, and you want to sit here and make this something to hone in on and capitalize. If you don't hone in on this and capitalize, then you're gonna miss out. And that's what I'm just trying to let everybody know. AI is only here for this amount of time. Eventually, when they start talking and they start walking around us, amongst us, and they start doing stuff, then it's over. And you're not in it. You're just on the sideline. But AI is the game changer. Hop in right now or miss out. That's what I'm saying.